Two-seater. Can't hit the hole. Crap. There we go. Crap, I hate this thing will never focus how I want it to. It is packed to death already. Thought I was gonna be here early, quote unquote early, but I'm not. These guys will have been here for like an hour already, and it's 7. That clock's a little bit fast, but the gates don't even open up till 9 o'clock. All right, I'm finally in line for this best meet of the year. I'm gonna get out and show you how many cars are here already. We're like 2 hours early before they let us in, but let me show you how many cars are here already. This is ridiculous. Oh, my car ain't dirty. No, well, shoot. Basically a sea of cars. And they still piling in. It's gonna be like that all day. Alright, so we still in line. I don't know how much longer. We're probably gonna be out here for another hour, but I've already been getting some good shots of cars rolling in. I think they're pretty decent anyway, so just some handheld shots because I don't feel like getting my gimbal out from back there behind these seats. But when I get in there, I will get it out, and then it's gonna be game time for real. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention. There's some guys who run a company called Skyforce Studios, and I'm gonna be collabing with them to make this video today. Skyforce Studios, I'll put their Instagram right here or in the description, and I'm gonna be collabing with them. I'm gonna hand over some of their footage to them, and they're gonna hand over some of their footage to me, and we're gonna make 2 separate videos with each other's footage. And so, hopefully, oh crap, gotta get my armband, hold on. Okay, like I was saying, I'm handing over my footage, they're handing me their footage. We're gonna make 2 separate collab videos for Import Alliance. Last year I didn't really make one, I just kind of vlogged a little bit. This year I'm gonna make a full one. The guy in the Subaru is vaping. That's so perfect. Thanks for feeding into the stereotype and making my video better. Whoever you are. Uh-oh, here comes the infamous roll-in tunnel that everybody always smashes the exhaust with. You know I gotta do it too, because I just can't. I can't not do this. God, please, I'm straight. Oh, so awesome. All right, so I'm here. I'm about to set up the gimbal and go watch some drifting and get probably try to get some really good shots while I'm walking over there. But per usual, I got to carry like 2 cameras, and I'm probably gonna have a shoulder and forearm pump by the time I get there. But it is what it is. It's what I do. So let's go. Alright, quick update. I always slip on the vlogs whenever I go anywhere, but I did a little bit of filming, met up with Adam. You guys know Adam from Simply Clean. And I met up with Oliver. He was also a Simply Clean.
What's up, man? It's day 2.
And so go back and watch those videos if you want to know who those guys are. But since I only slept like 2 or 3 hours last night, I came back to the car and went straight to sleep after I ate a little bit of the lunch I packed. So I'm gonna go back out here. I'm gonna film some of the drifting over there for you guys to see, and I'll either film some B-roll with this camera or throw in some of the footage that I got from on the A7S2 already, and I'll just throw that in here or something. So yeah, I need to stop being lazy and get back out of here, get some more footage for Skyforce.
Hey, bro, he don't even. Oh my god. You don't even realize it either. That's bad. That's real bad. Get out the car.
Why is the other car staying close to
I guess they don't have to keep fire extinguishers. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, dude. I'm glad he saw what was happening. That's how you send it. Your car don't catch fire, you're not doing it right.
Bro, that's something.
Alright, so I gotta get out of here. I'm stupidly tired. I'm about to fall asleep just standing up. So maybe I'll go take a nap and do something else for the day. If I do, I'll vlog it. If I don't, I don't. But this day has been really awesome. Even though I'm leaving like 2 hours early. It's only 3 o'clock. It ends at 5. So, but I'm about to hop back in the car and head home and find something else to do. Or sleep. Who knows? I guess you'll find out when I find out. Alright, so I completely forgot to end the video yesterday. I was so incredibly tired and sleepy. Yeah, it just slipped my mind. So yeah, I barely even remember what all I did yesterday after the show was over. But yeah, Import Alliance was great as always. Again, you know, I just love Import Alliance just because it's like going on, I don't know, it's just like an event where everybody can have fun. Nobody really gets judged. It's nothing serious like anybody's getting judged. Nobody's winning trophies really. It's just like a grassroots car meet that everybody can, from all over the place, can come together and have fun. So that's what I love about it. And that's why I go every year, or try to go every year. But yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.